If you're storing a car, make it easier on yourself with a set of wheel dollies from Eastwood. Or if you have a dealership, a car collection, or body shop, these are great because you can move a car that doesn't run or move a car without needing to start it and fill your area with exhaust fumes. Plus, you can slide a car sideways and put it against a wall or in a tight space. And then, when you want to work on it or drive it, just wheel it out. These quality dollies from Eastwood are already less than half the price of the competition. Each dolly can lift up to 1,300 pounds and will work with tires up to 12 inches wide. They have heavy-duty ball-bearing casters that allow the vehicle to be easily maneuvered on most paved and concrete surfaces. Plus, the hydraulic lift action makes using them simple because there's no need to jack up your car to slide the dollies under your tires because these dollies have a jack built right in. And each dolly has a lock pin, so when the car is jacked up, the weight isn't on the hydraulics. They work so well, we easily rolled this car around on the blacktop and even spun it around with no problem. And if they roll that well on blacktop, you know you won't have any problem on concrete. Do yourself a favor, make moving and storing cars easier than ever. Click the button to get yourself a set of wheel dollies today. And remember, when your car is stored properly and is easily moved around your garage, there's less chance for damage.